I was gifted this by the brand EarthWash. It's a Cleanomic detergent sheets, which is something very new to me. Also, at the same time, I'm very, very curious and I would like to try it. This is a more natural option rather than using the liquid or the powdered detergent. So it comes in a pack of 32 sheets. This is how the sheet looks like. It almost feels like it's foamy. And the scent I have is Ocean Breeze, which I think smells heavenly. One sheet is good for a large load. Tear this in half if you want to use this for just a small load. It is recommended to throw this on top of your load, or if you'd like, you can also put it in your detergent. I would do is just tear it up in smaller pieces and put it in there and close it, and it will do its magic. Basically do a presentation for you how well these dissolve. So I have hot water and I have cold water. So we're gonna put a whole sheet in and you can see it instantly dissolves. Cold water also dissolves, not as fast, but it does dissolve fairly quickly for cold water. I'm very, very impressed, to be honest. And the Ocean Breeze smell is still so great. I love it. Very curious how my clothes will turn out. This is the cold water that I had. As you can see, everything basically dissolved. And this is the hot water. Impressive. These laundry detergent strips are such a smart alternative to traditional detergent. You can choose between scent-free or scented. They are hyperallergenic and makes them great for sensitive skin. You just toss a strip into the wash and it dissolves fully. No residue, no measuring, and no mess. What really stands out is how compact and travel-friendly they are. They take up almost no space, making them perfect for travel, dorms, RVs, or even carrying it in a suitcase. With up to 320 loads in one pack, they're convenient, efficient, and great for everyday solution for both home and on-the-go laundry.